solve the issue, that is could not add card. If you are facing this issue, then first of all go through the settings and hit on your Apple ID. From there choose sign in and security option. Once it is open, click on the change password and then change your password for now. Once you have done this, go back to your settings and then hit on the general and check if any updates are available or not by hitting on software update. If there are any updates, then please do update your application. After that, go back to the settings and make sure that you have not connected to any VPN. If you see all of this, then this issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.